Atmanirbhar Bharat. Self-reliance in defense manufacturing is a key focus area this Republic Day parade. From the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, which incidentally Indonesia is very keen to acquire, to the Nag and the Pralay missiles. From the Sanjay battlefield surveillance radar system to the Pinak multi-launch rocket systems. They will all be on display on Kartavya Path. And this time, for the first time, there will be a tri-services tableau that will roll down Kartavya Path, displaying the spirit of jointness and integration. The theme is Sashakt और सुरक्षित भारत।
17 बटालियन के भारतीय नवाचार शक्ति का परिचायक है। ये 5 किलोमीटर दूरी से दुश्मन के टैंक को ध्वस्त करने की क्षमता रखता है।
Atmanirbhar Bharat is a strong message that is being conveyed this Republic Day parade.
Following these, we have the light specialist vehicle Bajrang and the vehicle mounted infantry mortar systems Air Rawat, led by Lieutenant Abhijit Rawat. And these vehicles are designed for maneuvering in tough terrain.
The Sarath BMP-3.
Following these, we have the light specialist vehicle Bajrang,
Chetak ATV, and Bajrang light specialist vehicles will showcase India's military might along with the Made in India weapons.
And are already serving in the United Nations peacekeeping operations. To begin with, we first have the all-terrain vehicle Chetak, led by Captain Lakshay Sihag, and specialist mobility vehicle Kapitwaj, led by Nayak Singh.
जी हाँ, सुनकर गरज हमारी सीने फट जाते चट्टान। Mechanized columns के क्रम में,
including the BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles.
344 मिसाइल रेजिमेंट की सुपरसोनिक ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल 400 किलोमीटर की मारक क्षमता के साथ दुश्मन के खेमे में खलबली मचाने वाली विनाशकारी मिसाइल 344।
The Pinaka multi-launch rocket system.
की टुकड़ी स्वदेशी रूप से विकसित और भगवान शिव के पौराणिक धनुष के नाम पर पिनाका अपार विनाशकारी शक्ति और लंबी दूरी की सटीकता का उदाहरण है। आदर्श वाक्य वीरावेल वेट्रीवेल विजयी भाला साहसी भाला।
And next in the mechanized column is the formidable BM-21 Agniban.
The Agniban rocket launcher.
BM-21 Agniban, a 122mm multi-barrel rocket launcher.
The battlefield surveillance system Sanjay and the Akash surface-to-air weapon system.
सलामी मंच की ओर से पहला गौरवशाली मार्चिंग दस्ता ब्रिगेड ऑफ द गार्ड्स लाल रंग की वर्दी कर्तव्य पथ पर सूरज की खिली अशोक चक्र एक पद्म भूषण के अलावा कई सम्मानों से अलंकृत। आदर्श वाक्य पहला हमेशा पहला युद्ध घोष करुणा हो बोल प्यारे।
The power of a military band lies not just in its exemplary music, but in its ability to rally hearts and embolden spirits. Now displaying some exemplary military commit, 9.5 meter तक के अंतराल को
India's pride will further soar when the indigenous Pinaka multi-rocket launch systems will take its place of pride in the parade with the 301 Rocket Regiment. Sanjay, the high-altitude battlefield surveillance system, will also be featured on the Republic Day parade. Sanjay was a character in Mahabharata who narrated details of war to Dhritarashtra. Sanjay, in the context of the Indian Army, is a surveillance system that collects ground and aerial data on the battlefield. This modern equipment is strategically unmatched in the intelligence and surveillance networks. The Nag and Pralay missiles will also be seen on this year's parade.
कर्तव्य पथ पर चल आया तप्त चरणों की यह गाथा हर हर भूमि में गूंजे उनकी ध्वनि विजय।
Both missiles are indigenously developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO and symbolize India's self-reliance.
To its roll of honor, oldest and the most decorated paramilitary force of the country. Marching in unison,
तीन अशोक चक्र एक पद्म भूषण के अलावा कई
The Akash missile system for the Air Force will also be a part of the parade this year, further enhancing the pride of a self-reliant India.
ban life not just
With this weapon, India becomes the first country capable of targeting 4 threats simultaneously.
some exemplary military music. Of Medical Center and School, Subedar Major Sanjeev Kumar of Punjab Regimental Center and Naib Subedar Lakshman Singh of Rajput Regimental Center. The band is playing the act tune of Samvidhan.
And what a magnificent sight it will be on Kartavya Path when the Indian Army's marching contingents step forward, showcasing precision marching.
3 अशोक चक्र, 8 महावीर चक्र, 13 कीर्ति चक्र, 39 वीरता चक्र, 57 शौर्य चक्र सहित अन्य कई सम्मान प्राप्त आदर्शवाद संगठन एवं वीरता.
The marching columns of the Indian Army include the Brigade of the Guards, the Jat Regiment,
Basta, Jat Regiment,
Garhwal Rifles, Mahar Regiment,
the Mahar Regiment has been one of the 12 K honors and 9 battle honors, and the war cry is Bolo Hindustan Ki Jai.
न कोई थकान न डर का आभास, बस अपने कर्तव्य और निष्ठा में अपार.
and the Indian Army's motorcycle rider team, Daredevils, will once again lead the way with their amazing stunts. This time, the world will also witness a world record being set with the building of a human pyramid.